Hey everyone, welcome to the mysterious world. In the heart of an ancient desert where the winds whisper secrets of forgotten worlds lies a place frozen in time. Beneath the sands, the bones of creatures long extinct tell a story of transformation, a tale buried for millions of years. This is Wadi Al-Hitan, the Valley of the Whales, a realm where land met sea and life itself changed forever. But what mysteries does this fossilized graveyard hold, and how did these giants of the deep come to rest in this barren land? The answers lie within the echoes of an ancient ocean. In the heart of Egypt's desolate western desert lies a place of extraordinary natural wonder where the ancient secrets of Earth's past lay fossilized beneath the sands. This is Wadi Al-Hitan, the Valley of the Whales. Once a vast, shallow ocean, today this UNESCO World Heritage Site reveals one of the most astonishing evolutionary stories ever uncovered. Join us as we journey back 40 million years to witness the rise of the ancient whales that once ruled these waters. Located around 150 kilometers southwest of Cairo, Wadi Al-Hitan sits within the famed oasis. Though today it is a harsh desert, during the Eocene epoch between 40 and 50 million years ago, this land was submerged beneath a warm, shallow sea. The area teemed with marine life, from giant sharks to primitive whales, and now serves as an open-air museum of our planet's ancient marine ecosystems. Thousands of visitors flock here each year to witness the fossilized remains of these prehistoric creatures. But what makes Wadi Al-Hitan truly unique is its ability to tell one of Earth's most remarkable stories, the evolution of whales from land-dwelling mammals to the ocean giants we know today. The fossils discovered at Wadi Al-Hitan, while not the oldest, are remarkable for their abundance and exceptional preservation, even revealing some intact stomach contents. The presence of fossils from other ancient species, including sharks, crocodiles, sawfish, turtles, and rays, allows scientists to reconstruct the environmental and ecological conditions of the time. This, along with the fossilized whales, strengthens the site's significance as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The first whale skeletons were uncovered during the winter of 1923, but for the next 80 years, the site attracted little attention due to its remote location. Interest was reignited in the 1980s as advancements in four-wheel drive vehicles made the area more accessible. Unfortunately, this renewed focus also led to fossil collectors removing bones, sparking efforts to conserve the site. The whale remains show a streamlined body similar to modern whales but retain primitive features in the skull and teeth. The largest skeleton discovered measured up to 21 meters in length, with 5-fingered flippers on the forelimbs and, unexpectedly, small hind legs, feet, and toes, features not seen before in any archaeoceti. These whales had a serpentine shape and were carnivorous. While some skeletons are visible, most remain buried in sediment and are slowly uncovered by erosion, offering proof of millions of years of coastal marine life in Wadi Al-Hitan. Wadi Al-Hitan, or Whale Valley, is globally renowned for its exceptional record of whale evolution. It vividly illustrates the transition of whales from land-dwelling creatures to marine life. The site surpasses other similar locations due to its unparalleled quantity, concentration, and quality of fossils, all set within a scenic and well-preserved landscape. It features a notable collection of fossilized skeletons, including primitive whales, archaeoceti, Sirenian sea cows, reptiles, and shark teeth from the Gehanam Formation, which dates back 40 to 41 million years. The strata at Wadi Al-Hitan belong to the Middle Eocene epoch and cover an area of 200 square kilometers. Fossils here are abundant and often exceptionally well preserved. Among the most prominent finds are the skeletons and bones of whales and sea cows, with hundreds of these fossils documented. The site stands out for its large number of whale fossils, with around 1,500 marine vertebrate skeletons concentrated in a relatively small area. The whale fossils range from single bones to complete skeletons, with several partial skeletons displayed to the public. Commonly found whales include the large Basilosaurus and the smaller Dorudon, along with at least two other species represented by rarer remains. These ancient whales feature small hind limbs, unlike modern whales, and have powerful skulls with teeth similar to those of carnivorous land mammals. Additionally, the site contains fossils of 3 Sirenian species, which, like the whales, were fully marine and exhibited primitive traits not seen in modern species. Their teeth suggest they fed on seagrasses and marine plants. Fossils of the primitive elephant Moeritherium are also present. Reptilian fossils include crocodiles, sea turtles, and sea snakes. While most fish fossils are small, isolated teeth, larger fish remains include sawfish rostra with a notable 1.8-meter-long rostrum displayed in the park. Although fossil shells are rare in the whale-bearing rocks, they are abundant in other rocks around the site. Nummulite fossils and tubular shipworm fossils are also found, with some fossil seagrasses documented. In 2021, Wadi Al-Hitan yielded the oldest known pelican fossil from the late Eocene. Approximately 50 million years ago, the ancestors of today's whales roamed the earth not as ocean creatures, but as land mammals. These small, wolf-like animals, known as Pachycetus, lived near rivers and lakes, hunting for food. Over millions of years, these creatures began adapting to a more aquatic life, evolving into species like Ambulocetus, an amphibious predator with limbs capable of walking on land and swimming in water. As they spent more time in the water, their bodies gradually transformed. Their limbs evolved into flippers, their bodies streamlined for swimming, and their nostrils migrated to the tops of their heads to become blowholes. One of the most striking examples of this transition is Basilosaurus, an ancient whale found in Wadi Al-Hitan. Basilosaurus was a dominant predator during its era, reaching lengths of over 18 meters. Unlike contemporary whales, it retained small, vestigial hind limbs, a remnant from its evolutionary past as a land-dwelling animal. These small hind limbs, though present, were no longer functional for walking and indicated that Basilosaurus was in the final stages of its evolution from land-based ancestors to a fully aquatic existence. This transition illustrates a crucial period in the evolutionary history of whales, highlighting the gradual adaptation from terrestrial to marine life. While Basilosaurus was a massive predator, smaller whales like Dorudon coexisted with it, likely serving as prey. The Dorudon fossils found in Wadi Al-Hitan show an evolutionary trajectory more akin to modern whales, with streamlined bodies and more developed tail flukes for efficient swimming. Wadi Al-Hitan was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2005, not only for its paleontological significance but also for its natural beauty. Today, the site serves as a critical location for scientific research and education. Researchers continue to study the fossils found here to better understand the evolutionary biology of whales and other marine mammals. Wadi Al-Hitan hosts 15 species of desert plants and sand dunes, along with approximately 15 types of wild mammals. These include the Egyptian wolf, red fox, African leopard, Egyptian mongoose, African wild cat, and Dorcas gazelle. The fennec fox is the most frequently observed mammal and often visits the campsite at night. Additionally, the lakes at Wadi El-Rayyan draw 19 reptile species and 36 breeding bird species. Each year, approximately 1,000 visitors travel to Wadi Al-Hitan in 4WD vehicles due to the unpaved and marked desert route. Most visitors are international tourists who camp in the valley during winter weekends. As part of the Wadi El-Rayyan protected area, access to Wadi Al-Hitan is regulated by a protection management plan that restricts visitors to guided tour along designated trails. Sustainable tourism is gradually emerging, with some visitors opting for foot or camel treks instead of 4WD vehicles. To enhance the visitor experience, walkways and small shelters have been constructed around the main fossil sites since Wadi Al-Hitan became a tourist attraction. The site now regularly hosts tourist groups and includes a small campsite. The valley is situated behind Garrett Gehannim, also known as the Mountain of Hell, which appears to glow with an eerie red light at sunset. In July 2007, Belgian diplomats allegedly drove into a protected zone within Wadi Al-Hitan, damaging part of the whale fossil and causing an estimated $10 million in damage. The Belgian government denies any damage occurred, and the dispute remains unresolved. In recent years, Egypt has taken great strides to protect and preserve this unique site. Educational trails, eco-friendly visitor centers, and scientific research stations ensure that future generations will continue to learn from the Valley of the Whales while also maintaining its natural beauty. Wadi Al-Hitan is more than just a repository of fossils. It is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life on Earth, demonstrating how species evolve and adapt to changing environments. The valley's ancient whales serve as a reminder that life, in all its forms, is constantly in flux, evolving, transforming, and surviving. As we stroll amidst these ancient fossils, we are poignantly reminded of our own position within the vast timeline of Earth's history. The Valley of the Whales offers more than just a window into bygone eras. It serves as a profound reminder to value the delicate and intricate network of life that stretches across our planet's oceans, deserts, and forests. This site underscores the importance of recognizing and cherishing the interconnectedness of all living things and the fragile nature of our shared environment. Wadi Al-Hitan offers a glimpse into a primordial ocean, revealing a narrative of profound transformation and serving as a passage through the annals of time. It provides a unique view into the ancient marine world, showcasing the evolutionary changes that have occurred over millennia and invites us to traverse the historical depths of our planet's past. Enjoyed exploring the ancient whale fossils? Hit the like button to show your appreciation. What amazed you the most about Wadi Al-Hitan? Share your thoughts in the comments. Spread the word about this incredible site by sharing this video with your friends.